Dear all, welcome to the playlist of general knowledge. In my channel, I have prepared different videos on general knowledge, then various competitive examinations like SSC and NEET MDS, and also various state level PSC examination. You'll be getting a lot of information regarding various competitive examination also. If you are visiting the channel first time, please to subscribe and please click on the bell button to get the notified whenever I am going to put the new video. In this video, I'll be discussing the most important facts on Indian Railway. There are 10 questions. I request you to go through each and every questions and kindly put up the right answer. Okay, you can post the video and put up the particular answer. And once I am going to discuss, you can able to verify whether your answer is right or not. Okay, so just like a practice, you can take it as a practice test and you can go ahead with the self-evaluation. That is the ultimate goal. Okay, so this session will be useful those who are preparing for RRB, then SSC examination and various state level PSC examination. So let us move on to the first question. The first train in India was run between, which is the right answer. In fact, the first train was run between Mumbai and Thane. I can go ahead with the option C. Let me discuss about second question. Indian Railway Board was established in the year of, which is the right answer. There are 4 options. Actually, Indian Railway Board was established in the year of 1905. I can go ahead with I can choose the option A. Option A is the right answer. Let me discuss the remaining part of the question and I request you to verify your right answer. Question number 3. Headquarters of Indian Railway is locating at Mumbai, Chennai, Amritsar, Delhi. The right answer is New Delhi. Question number 4. Fourth largest railway network. Indian Railway, Railway of Russia and Railway of France, Brazil Railway. Which is the right answer? Actually, the fourth largest railway which is belong to our country, India. Okay. So I can go ahead with the option A. And also Indian Railway is belong to the first largest railway in Asian region. Then question number 5. Name of first electric train in India. Deccan Queen, Delhi Queen, Queen Deccan, none of these. The name of first electric train in India is known as Deccan Queen. I can go for option A. Option A is the correct answer. I request you to note down the right answer somewhere else so that you can recall whenever new exam called for. Question 6. The first electric train was introduced in India 1905, 1919, 1929, 1939. Which is the right answer? 1929 is the correct answer. Choose option C. Question 7. Largest public sector enterprise in India. Air India, Indian Railway, IOCL, GAIL. Which is the correct answer? Obviously, Indian Railway. Indian Railway is one of the largest public sector enterprises in our country. Question number 7 is over. Let me discuss about the remaining part of the question. Question 8. The fastest train in India. Duronto Express, Rajdhani Express, Vande Bharat Express, none of these. Actually, the Vande Bharat Express is the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. Question number 9. Route covered by the Indian Railway. 11,9630 kilometer, 10,9630, 12,9630 and 13,9603. This could be the correct answer. Actually, the route covered by the Indian Railway is 11,9630 kilometer. Choose option A. 11,9630 is the right answer for this particular question. Now I will be discussing about the last question. Vande Bharat Express was flagged in 15th January 2019, 15th February 2019, 15th February 2018, 16th February 2019. Which is the correct answer as per your knowledge? The right answer for this particular question, the Vande Bharat Express, one of the fastest train in our country, was inaugurated in the year of 2019, 15th February 2019 by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, Vande Bharat Express will travel from Delhi to Varanasi in 9 hours and 45 minutes, you can imagine, with stoppage points at Kanpur and Pragraj. So these are the information about Vande Bharat Express. And also one more important fact I would like to tell you. Indian Railway is the second biggest electrified system in the world after comes Russia. Okay, that point also you have to note down. Okay, so likewise you have to remember so many points related to Indian Railway. This is the first part only. I'll be discussing the second part of the video in the coming session. Okay, one more point I would like to tell you. The second train in India was run in 1854 between Howrah and Hooghly. Second train. That is also another question. Okay, please note down. Okay. So these are the popular questions which can be expected in the competitive examination, and note down it carefully. Wish you all the best for the examination. Let me conclude the session. Thank you.